Okay, so this is my current wallet system. I use an On, which is Walmart brand camera bag or case for the outside shell. It's got a zipper compartment in the front that you can keep cash or coins in. I added the split ring, of course, and my whatever that is, paracord. And it's got a flexible but hard shell in the back. So I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I got it in the camera section at Walmart, or the photography or photo center. There you go, photo center. Inside we have some aluminum foil for my makeshift emergency hat, and some postage stamps, forever stamps, and that's all I have in it right now. No cash. Here's the inside, and I will take these things out, but it has the main area, and then it has a little pocket on the side. Okay, so in the first section we have receipts. We have this little pouch I got at a travel store. I think it's the only one at Oak Park Mall. And it's got RFID protection, so whatever's inside is protected. So all my cards are in here. You name it, it's a card. It's in there, pretty much. Unless it's a doctor's card, no appointment. A little bit of cash. Another receipt. And that's it. So I use the space, as you can see, between this and the outside shell as extra pockets, and that's where I throw my receipts in. And it's got this little clip, which is nice, I guess, if I was wearing just shorts, like underwear, boxers, gym shorts, whatever. And I don't want to carry the whole thing. I can just carry the essentials in here. Zipper, of course. I really like this. It's really tight fit for the cards, but it works. You just got to know how to stick them in. That's what she said. Okay, as you can see, inside, 2 pockets. No real padding on this one. Maybe really light. Okay, so inside that second pouch is some note cards. Probably don't need this many note cards in there. Anyway, what is this? Rolled up paper towel. Some more foil, because life is a conspiracy. A little foldable spoon, because sometimes you just need a spoon, like for whatever reason. And a little screwdriver, Phillips and flathead eyeglass kit screwdriver I got at Walmart. And one of these I bought actually broke, so looks cool, but it's not. Man, look how gross that. Anyway. Oh yeah, it rolled away. This little glue that you're supposed to liquid skin, kind of like a band-aid. I should probably put some in here, but I forgot I had this. That's the problem with having too many things. You forget you have it when you need it. And there you go. So I like it because it's small enough and it provides extra storage for things and organization, and it was cheap. Well, this was like, I want to say less than $10 maybe. that inner pocket pouch thing, but I don't remember how much this was. Less than $5 for this, so works for me.